हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज की इस क्लास में हम लोग क्लास 8 गुलमोहर गोल्डन जुबली एडिशन से चैप्टर नंबर 8 जिसका कि नाम है द स्टोलन बेसिलस और इसके राइटर हैं H.G. वेल्स। बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम लोग इस चैप्टर से इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर और एक्सरसाइजेस को डील करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, पहले तो मैं आपको इस बेसिलस का मीनिंग बता दूँ। बच्चों, ये जो बेसिलस है ना, एक फ़ोटो देखिए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पेज पे, ये देखिए, ये एक स्मॉल रॉड शेप्ड, ठीक है, बैक्टीरिया होता है। इसका जो शेप होता है कहीं ना कहीं देखिए गोल है और ये एक रॉड जैसा है। आप इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखेंगे तो आप इसको देख कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, तो रॉड शेप देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है बच्चों, शेप्ड बैक्टीरिया। तो द स्टोलन बेसिलस, आपको इस चैप्टर को मैं जब भी एक्सप्लेन करूँगी मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि क्या इसकी स्टोरी है। फिलहाल इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर की तरफ मूव करेंगे बच्चों। Understanding the text which is given on page number 92, we'll see that it says that you read these sentences and state whether they are true or not true. Okay, if a statement is not true, write the reason why. So here the first sentence is the bacteriologist was suspicious of the man from the beginning. We'll see the answer. The bacteriologist was suspicious of the man from the beginning. इसका आंसर देखिए, इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू। ओके, ये सत्य नहीं है। जब भी आप इस स्टोरी को देखेंगे दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ नॉट ट्रू। इसका आंसर जो देखिए, अभी जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा था, इफ़ द बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट हैड बीन सस्पिशियस ऑफ द मैन ही वुड नॉट हैव लेफ्ट हिम अलोन इन हीज लैब। बेटा हीज लैब को थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे स्पेस दे दीजिए, यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है। हीज हो गया और लैब हो गया। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखेंगे। द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ लिविंग डिसीज बैक्टीरिया वॉज नॉट सेफ विद द बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट। ठीक है, तो द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ लिविंग डिसीज बैक्टीरिया वॉज नॉट सेफ विद द बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट, दैट इज ट्रू। नेक्स्ट विल सी द anarchist had a complete plan in his mind before coming to the bacteriologist. That is also not true, because the anarchologist did not have a complete plan, because he did not know if the bacteriologist had the living bacteria. He did not have a plan to steal the bacteria. Number 5, in 9 has to real contribution to the plot of the story. That is also not true, because without minor interpretation the conversation and calling the bacteriologist away. Okay, the anarchist would have not found the opportunity to steal the bacteria. So these are the understanding the text. We'll see the answer this question. See that here the questions are given. We'll see the first question. Why do you think the bacteriologist says that they have to keep the living disease bacteria with them? Okay. Okay, so it's because they need a live bacteria to study them. See the second question. Paragraph 10. Why do you think the bacteriologist described the fatal effect to the cholera germs so vividly? So the bacteriologist likes to impress others with his work and enjoy watching their reaction. He describes the course of the epidemic so vividly because he likes to be dramatic. We'll see question number 3. Why do the bacteriologists say blue rain? When do you come to know what he really means? Paragraph 21. So it's because the anarchist has stolen the bacillus that causes the blue pigmentation. With the pigmentation, we get to know what he means from his sentence. I wanted to astonish him, not knowing he was an anarchist, and took up a cultivation of what new species of bacteria. थोड़ा सा और नीचे आइए। इसमें जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर है, I was telling you of that I think caused the blue plates, sorry, blue patches upon various monkeys, and like a fool, I said it was an Asiatic cholera. All of those who had sneered at him, neglected him, referred other people to him, would consider him at last. Paragraph 24. Who are all those people? Why do you think they are treated him in his way? What was the real purpose or motive of the anarchist behind his action? देखिए ये क्वेश्चन कितने क्वेश्चन अटैच हैं, तो सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन है वो देखते हैं कि ऑल दोज पीपल रिफर टू अनार्किस्ट. Anarchist in the story is a pale and weak looking man. It is possible that they treated him in his way because he was not a strong man who resorts to physical violence or likes to use explosive devices. इसी के जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो देखेंगे. द अनार्किस्ट वांटेड ग्लोरी एंड फेम मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स. ही वांटेड टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड एंड गिवन इम्पोर्टेंस टू बाय हिज कम्युनिटी. दैट वाज द रियल रीजन बिहाइंड हिज एक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखेंगे. आई सपोज आई शैल बी द फर्स्ट. आई शैल बी अ मार्चर. पैरा 26. What shall the anarchist be the first in? What do you think will happen to him after swallowing the wrong cultivation of bacteria? How would the other anarchists regard them? Do you think he deserves the consequences? So the anarchist shall be the first one to die from the cholera. He will be the first victim. Question number B. He will possibly have a partial or complete blue pigmentation on his body with no fatal or life-threatening side effect. Next, if the bacillus causes him to become blue, he will be the laughing stock of his community. His already delicate reputation as an anarchist would be shattered. I think he deserves the consequences because he was the man bent on destruction without the least concern for the hundreds and thousands of people who would suffer or die because of him. Question number 6. The bacteriologist was so preoccupied with the man that he scarcely showed any surprise and at the appearance of mine in paragraph 31. What do you think the bacteriologist thinking at this moment, and what was the anarchist doing? Why? So the bacteriologist was probably wondering how the bacillus would affect a human. The anarchist, he was also probably deciding whether or not to tell the anarchist that he had stolen the wrong bacillus, not Asiatic cholera. The anarchist was talking towards the Waterloo Bridge, brushing against as many people as he could not infect them with the bacillus. Question number 7 देखिए. Paragraph 30 again answer this question. Did the bacteriologist intentionally mislead the anarchist? If the bacteriologist knew that the man did not have cholera in his hands, then why did he chase him so desperately? So, his intention was to impress the visitor, not really mislead him. It is impossible that he did not have the living cholera germs in his lab, so he tried to pass off a different bacillus as a cholera germs. Although the bacteriologist knew that the anarchist did not have the cholera germs with him, he still chased him because that bacillus was his research work. It had probably taken him both effort and money to cultivate it. The anarchist was talking away his work. Now this is appreciating the question. We'll see the answer. If just wait. Okay. If Mammon had not interrupted the conversation between her husband and the anarchist, it would have been much more difficult or impossible for the anarchist to steal the bacillus and get away so easily without Mammon's interruption. There would be no theft, no chase, and no story. She is integral to the plot. Now, anticlimax is the disappointment or laughing conclusion after something serious has happened. Identify the anticlimax in the story. The anticlimax of the story is when the pathologist explained to his wife that the anarchist did not give, to explain to his wife that the anarchist did not have the Asiatic cholera, but a bacillus that has caused blue pigmentation. If it is funny to imagine how the anarchist would be affected and how disappointed he would be when, instead of being labeled, the anarchist would be affected and how disappointed he would be when, instead of being labeled dangerous, he would be subject of ridicule. अब ग्रामर और यूसेज के क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर. विल सी द आंसर्स डायरेक्टली. चेक द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर बुक. Kavita feels as though she cannot bear to wait another minute of his just verdict. दूसरा है, mothers wanted Raj and Rahul to pretend as though everything was perfectly okay. Lata wondered if the guest could smell the burned milk. The contract states that the writer has to or must be ready to promote his book around the country. There would be no further recruitment for a few years, we felt sure. 6. How can anyone predict if it will happen again? B का आंसर देखेंगे. क्वेश्चन अपने बुक से पढ़िए प्लीज. Although the children were terrified, they hid their fear and acted casual in front of the thief. Grandmother brings the kitchen in form of the in brings the kitchen in from the garden when it starts to rain heavily. The footballers use shin guard and ankle supports so they can protect themselves from bruising and sprains. As soon as Komal decides to go to Puri, he goes to the station to buy his tickets. We usually met after school at the canteen unless we had a test the next day. अब इसके बाद बच्चों सी है. देन आफ्टर वर्ड्स इन यूज चेक द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर बुक. सी का देखिए, स्पोक्ड दैट इज टू बी फ्राइटेंड, bamboozled to be confused, dolloped a small amount of usually food, ramshackle of building in a very bad condition needing repair. Then the fifth is complicated language that is difficult to understand. Words in use में आ जाइए. This is the answer. We waited eagerly from the renowned physicist to arrive at our party. No sooner did we rush to the cafe than it starts to rain. As opposed to the popular opinion, small dogs can be quite aggressive. Fourth, the white snow was visibly different from the dark volcanic soil of the region. She is quite interested in art history. 6. There is a slim chance of success in this venture. Then 7th, she grabbed every opportunity she got to play the piano. Or 8th, the mountaineers felt for a good hand hold to climb up. अब इसका भी देख लीजिए. पहला है कम अराउंड, कम अक्रॉस, कम अबाउट, केम ओवर, केम टू. स्पेलिंग है कॉम्प्लीमेंट विच complete something, compliment, an expression of praise. Diary, a record of everyday's events or thoughts. Then dairy, a place where milk is produced. Then course, rough, not refined. Then course, a series of lesson. Weather, temperature, rain, or so on. Whether if it is this or it is that. Differ, that is disagree. Here differ, that is postpone. Decent, will be have. Decent, going down. राइटिंग स्किल, ट्राई योरसेल्फ। ठीक है, तो अभी हमने क्लास 8 से चैप्टर नंबर 8 को कवर किया। चैप्टर हम लोग इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर और सारे एक्सरसाइजेस के आंसर, सारे सॉल्यूशंस अभी इस वीडियो में देखें। मुझे उम्मीद है कि वीडियो आपको हेल्प करेगी आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर को कंप्लीट करने में। एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा। एज सुन एज आई विल गिव ऑल द आंसर्स ऑफ ऑल द सॉल्यूशंस फॉर all the classes. Will try to explain the chapter one by one. Okay students, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल दैट टाइम थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।